Okay, so it's the start of week 7. You can see all the rock wall's been packed into the studs here. You can see the opening there for the first set of acoustic doors that will go on. And the scaffolding's now inside, so they're going to start building the frame for the inner isolation wall now. Okay, so because the studio is so airtight, we obviously need a fresh air system bringing in air, as well as an air conditioning system to heat and cool the room. In order for this to happen, they've had to take away a load of plaster there to make a cavity. This is to make room for the ducting and cabling for the air conditioning and the heat exchanger unit that's going to bring in fresh air. This will all sit in the loft space above and will trickle down through plenums, which I'll explain later once we've been built. But you can see there, they're obviously trying to keep everything outside of the isolation shell wall of the studio in order to not break it and cut through it, you know, so keep it sealed as much as possible. Okay, so we're midway through week 9. We've got some progress, so the window's been boarded up, we've got some rock wool going in. You can see first fix electrics and HVAC is happening, that's tomorrow. Once all the rock wool is put in place, tightly packed, some structural ply will go on all 4 walls. Obviously the walls don't touch the existing building in any way, they're completely just sat on top of this floating floor. And the room is braced laterally from the top down with the Metsec beams, which will arrive next week. And then you have a floating structure, and the room is sort of complete then. And then it gets onto sort of acoustics after that. But next time I show you this room, it should be either covered in ply or even covered in layers of sound block.